Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yetu ya namhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi Vedari. I am a lady aged 32 years old. I'm the third born in a family of 4 children. So hot topic yakamira so. 3 years ago, my father, who is 65 years old, married a younger wife. He sometimes stays kumandara, mama vari kufarm. So takazonzwa nyaya, mama vachiti avachada imba because baba has been cheating on her for years. Hanzi would threaten her, vakada kutaura, saying urikuda kuti vana vandivenge, and sometimes would physically and emotionally abuse her. Mama vakazotaura mushure mekunge vabata message mukadzi uyu achiti akazvitakura. I can't express the deep disappointment as a pregnant woman that time to think I was going to have a half-sibling whose age mates with my own child. We sat na baba sevana with the help of Tete, his sister, and vaisatodzoreka. He said my new wife will move in imba yekuHarare. My venue can stay kufarm. Mama ended up settling vakangogara zvakadaro. My father has always been a bully and proud man. So takazvigamuchira cause isu sevana we couldn't do much. Mama vane BP and she said, chiregai ndizvigarire hangu pamusha wangu. So takasvika pakuneta and stopped taking care of baba. We were taking care of mama, making sure we visit tichimbovatorao kuti vasasuruware. Baba started acting out, vachipopota, kuti we no longer give him money, reminding us that we owe him for the good education and lives that we have made for ourselves. He says my venue has never worked a day in her life, but ndivo vamunoda. What he was failing to understand is forcing us to accept his younger wife was a mistake, and we never did. So vedare, baba vakuita tsika yekunotorera mama mari yese yatinovapa. Vakasvika kufarm kune groceries vanotora and tells mama kuti fonera vana vako kuti chikafu chapera. Woenda kumba kwavo nemukadzi mutsva. It's painful vedare. I hate my father so much. Zvokuti all of us refuse to accept this nonsense. But chekuita chaicho hapana. Mama's mental health is deteriorating. Vanotomboita kunge vari kurasa njere. We obviously try to seek help from anasekuru, mom's brothers, but they have also surrendered. Is there a way that we can contest this pamutemo or something? What can we do to stop baba from taking things that we buy for our mother? Vachinodya nemhuri yavo itsva. We need help. Here is hot topic yetu ya namhlanje.